Hi guys, good evening. I am Suhail Khalid Pindari. Today date is 7th February 2022 and today I am discuss on the topic arrays in Java programming language. So let's start. What is array? Array is a collection of homogeneous and similar data types. What is the main purpose of array? The main purpose of array is its array store multiple values in a single variable. It's the main purpose of array. Let's see some features of array. So first feature of array is a object class because when we create array at that time we use new keyword and in Java new keyword is mostly to create an object. Second, Second feature of array, object class is a super class or object class is a super class of an array. And third feature of array occupied to store the variables or objects in a heap memory. Then array occupied heap memory to store objects and variables. So let's see some advantages of array. First advantage of array, it is store multiple variables in a single variable. It store multiple objects or multiple values in a single variable. Second one is array is faster than primitive data types. And third advantage is array also stored object. Means if we create XYZ company class and we create this class in an array, at that time the objects of this class which we also store in an array. Then let's see some disadvantages of array. First disadvantage is the chances of the wastage of memory is high in array because if we create a range, means if we create 5 or 10 range of array, means if and we get only 3 or 6 objects at that time, these 3 or 6 objects, if it occupied the memory, but remaining 4 or some arrays it's also occupied the memory, and this is the wastage of memory. Then second disadvantage is we only store the same data type in an array. Means if we create an array as an integer data type, then in this array we only store integer values. If we want to store a string value, means name or some characters or etc., at that time this array shows, or this compiler shows the error because this array type is an integer type. Then next, if we delete any element from this array or from any array, at that time we want to transfer the whole array, and it is a disadvantage of array. Then next we see syntax of array. How to write array. First we write a data type, any data type like integer or string or etc. After it we write a variable. We write variable name, whatever variable name we want, we take here, like variable a, like b, c, whatever you want you take it. After it we give a square bracket, and this square bracket are also known as subscript operator. In that subscript operator, provides we also provide the range of this array, or we also provide the range of this array or objects or variables also. That at the next time, every array has its own index. Every array has its own index, and this index starts from 0, and this index ends on it is a less than one of the range of array. Means if we see if we give the range of array is 5, and we put the 10, 12, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 these objects in that, at that time the 50 number is occupied the index in a fourth number, the fourth column or fourth bracket. In that array, a dynamic or static arrays are available. A static array means in that array we give the fixed range of array, and in that array we doesn't increase or decrease or change the range of array in a runtime. And second one is dynamic array. In dynamic array we increase or decrease the range of array in runtime. Array has mainly two types. First one is single dimensional array, and second one is multi-dimensional array. In a single dimensional array, here this array is present in only one row